Now on the RickVanMan channel, we head down to the allotment, where Rick continues his ongoing journey into growing his own food.
How do you hold the camera and open the key at the same time? Well, hi guys, this is Rick and this is another allotment video. Now, if you didn't see my previous video log that I hopefully would have put up by now, you'll know that I came here the other day to check on the tarpaulins after we had all that wind. And luckily the tarpaulins had stayed put because we had some major sort of gales occurring. So I was quite impressed that the tarpaulins had stayed put because they were just held down with lumps of wood. I've now added some more bricks and things to the tarpaulins. I'm just coming up to the allotment now and you can see they're nicely in place. Great, wonderful you say, that's fantastic, no problem. Or is there a problem? Well, actually, if you look behind me, you'll see my shed is knackered. Basically what happened was the wind just took out the doors and they are just bent beyond all recognition. So I'm going to have to do something about that today. And what I've decided I was going to do, originally I was going to bring the van here, bring all the equipment here, you know, all the wood and the cutters and everything. And I thought, well, what a palaver. What I'm just going to do is measure the hole, and then all I'm going to do is go home and build some basically a new set of doors that I'm just going to bolt straight onto the front of the shed. That's the theory. I'll have to see how I get on. I've just got to measure them. Okay, it's 38.5 by 64. So now I've just got to go home and see if I can make a unit which I can just bolt straight onto the front of the shed, and hopefully it won't be so heavy that it pulls the shed over, because that's my other concern. But I think I'll have to cross that bridge when I get to it. Right, let's get on. Hello. Decided, rather than fit the slats at the house, what I thought I'd do is I'd come and fit the frame, bolt the frame into place, and then fit the slats on afterwards. Because I think it'll work better that way. At least that's the theory. You may notice I have a moving tripod today. It follows me around. Say hello, Nathan.
Hello, Nathan.
My little nephew turned up. Sorry, not quite so little anymore. Come here. Yep, they're screws. And now I just need to bolt for those. Just bolt the frame in place. Those holes aren't big enough. No.
Your precision work coming into effect there.
Oh yes. Oh, they were just pilot holes.
These aren't really workable anymore then.
Eh?
These aren't really workable anymore then.
No, they're a bit knackered. I think that's an understatement.
Alright.
What I've decided to do, this fits over. This is the door. Ta-da! And I need to remove that bottom peg. There you go. That bottom bit's now on. Now, okay, got it. That should then sit flush up against there. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Just as I designed it. Oh yeah, you're going arty. Oh, chuck this mid-drill, will you, please? Thank you. Hang on. I'm going to need it any second. There we go. Right then. This isn't an episode of Doom. Or whatever it is they're playing these days.
The drill cam.
Bollocks.
That's not gone well.
No! Okay. Alright, you ready? That's it.
Good.
The rest should be relatively easy. Just push. That's it. Hey, done. Now what I've got to do. So there we have the door. I managed to fit a latch on it. Doesn't quite go over the curb there, but I thought, well, if I just give that a kick, that'll wedge it open nicely. It's quite well made. Looks good. So what I've got to do now is lock that against there. Oops. And then I just need to put a thing here, which is going to be lockable. So I'm going to do that now, and then that'll be lock-upable. I could have made that higher actually, couldn't I? Never mind. And then we're done. That's cool. We can go home and get a cup of tea, like you do. Yeah, that's all right. That's a bit Eve Robinson, isn't it? But it works. Gets the job done. It's a lot better than what it was before.
That's alright.
So all I've got to do now is get some more tarpaulin on it. I've got it. I'm just going to bring it back and put it down, and that'll be it for the rest of the winter.
It's a miracle that it's still there.
Yeah. Yeah, it is amazing. It was still here after all those winds. So that's a trip back then, and then we'll I'll go and get those other tarpaulins that have arrived, and I can lay those down, and then that's it. I've finished for the winter. I can't do anything more until spring arrives.
So I caught you in your last trip then?
Yeah, well, I'll come back every couple of weeks, just check on everything, but I think that's it. Ooh! Oh dear, he's had a bit of an issue with his, what's his name? Shall I come put him back for him? Come back for him. I wouldn't step on that. It's really muddy.
Should I turn this off?
Eh?
Should I turn this off?
Yeah, okay. So I think that's the last allotment video I've got for a little while, unless of course anything happens. So thanks for watching, and no doubt I will see you in the next video. Take care.